Okay, do it now. Nice and slow. A little better than that. Right, Anna? You're feeding the fish? Okay, that's it. Take it out. Squeeze it. Okay, good girl.
Now they know what they did.
Oh, they're eating.
Now they know where the food is, Dad.
Yeah, they do. Say, I love Nemo.
I love Nemo. There's an apple on your phone.
There's an apple on my phone?
Yeah.
Does it have a bite mark out of it?
Yeah.
Did you bite my apple?
No.
Did you bite my apple?
No.
I think you bit my apple.
I did. The fishes bite your apple. The fishes bite your apple. I didn't bite your apple.